Shalom and greetings, my friends. Welcome again to our daily devotional, Reflecting Christ. As believers of Christ, we are called to reflect Him in every aspect of our lives and to share the love and hope that we have experienced in Him. Today's scripture reading is taken from Proverbs chapter 4, verses 20 to 22. It reads, "My son, give attention to my words. Incline your ear to my sayings. Do not let them depart from your eyes. Keep them in the midst of your heart, for they are life to those who find them, and health to all their flesh." My friends, since the mind and the soul find expression through the body, both mental and spiritual vigor are in great degree dependent upon physical strength and activity. Whatever promotes physical health promotes the development of a strong mind and a well-balanced character. Without health, no one can as distinctly understand or as completely fulfill his obligations to himself, to his fellow beings, or to his Creator. Therefore, the health should be as faithfully guarded as the character. A knowledge of physiology and hygiene should be the basis of all educational effort. The youth, in the freshness and vigor of life, little realize the value of their abounding energy. A treasure more precious than gold, more essential to advancement than learning or rank or riches. How lightly it is held, how rashly squandered. How many a man sacrificing health in the struggle for riches or power has almost reached the object of his desire only to fall helpless, while another possessing superior physical endurance grasped the longed-for prize. Through morbid conditions, the result of neglecting the laws of health, how many have been led into evil practices, to the sacrifice of every hope for this world and the next. The youth should be taught that the laws of the nature are the laws of God, as truly divine as are the precepts of the Decalogue. The laws that govern our physical organism, God has written upon every nerve, muscle, and fiber of the body. Every careless or willful violation of these laws is a sin against our Creator. How necessary then that a thorough knowledge of these laws should be imparted. The influence of the mind on the body, as well as of the body on the mind, should be emphasized. The electric power of the brain, promoted by mental activity, vitalizes the whole system and is thus an invaluable aid in resisting disease. The power of the will and the importance of self-control, both in the preservation and in the recovery of health. The depressing and even ruinous effect of anger, discontent, selfishness, or impurity, and on the other hand, the marvelous life-giving power to be found in cheerfulness, unselfishness, gratitude should also be shown. There is a physiological truth that we need to consider in the scripture. A merry, rejoicing heart does good like a medicine, in Proverbs chapter 17, verse 22. So my friends, I am inviting you to come to Christ and experience a life-changing encounter with Him. Therefore, we can all serve to reflect Christ in our daily lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@hopetv.asia.